To create a customer inquiry, we must first search for the customer in the system. If the customer does not already exist, create them in the system with the help of the Create Contact video. Otherwise, ensuring that the Inquiries tab is selected in the Customer Console, click Create Inquiry. If your dealership uses the RSE process, the progression will be shown on the left-hand side, and there will be a separate tab in the Inquiry Console to facilitate this. If not, these will not be shown. There is a logical flow in the system that mirrors the sales process across these tabs from left to right. In the Customer Choices tab, a customer can choose a number of different vehicles as potential matches to their needs. This information can then be copied over to the next step of the process by clicking the Copy to Inquiry Vehicle button. Alternatively, if a customer knows what they want, you may look up that new or used vehicle directly from the Inquiry Vehicle tab. If the vehicle is new, be sure to select the colour and any accessories that the customer may desire. Be sure to note a test drive taken by the customer. Click Apply to save. To fill in the Trade-in tab, all you need is a vehicle registration. Simply fill it in the appropriate field, click Vehicle Check, and then Update All from the pop-up window. All the information is instantly available to you. Following your appraisal of the vehicle, fill in the allowance field and click Apply to save. If the trade-in has features that the customer mentions, it is possible to select these in the Trade-in Features tab. The Price Details tab provides a financial overview of the deal so far. A deposit can be noted at this stage along with a receipt number. If a deposit is accepted, recalculate the figures and then click Apply to save. The Conclude tab provides all the functionality required to finalize a customer inquiry. In the subject field, give a brief description of the deal, for example, new black Audi A1, to serve as a reminder. It is possible at this stage to give the customer a detailed printed quotation providing them with all the information they require to consider a deal. With practice, this detailed quotation can be printed out in a matter of moments. It is important to note the origination and source of the inquiry for marketing purposes. If the customer wishes to discuss finance, all of the information regarding the deal can be sent immediately to the appropriate individual by clicking the Notify Finance button. If a customer is ready to confirm a deal, click Confirm Deal and select a delivery date. It is important to note that confirming a deal will notify management that this vehicle has been sold, and you should not proceed without a deposit and finance or alternative in place. Once the deal has been confirmed, click on the View Order button to print a Sign My form for the customer to sign. When the customer returns to collect the keys for their new vehicle and to trade in their old one, click the Close button and leave the reason as Not Set. This will show your manager that the deal has been closed successfully and will set up the to-dos for the customers automatically from this date. If a deal does not proceed, be sure to close the deal and select the reason for it falling through. This will help management to decide on pricing and other strategies. Finally, if a vehicle has been traded in, click Transfer Trade into Stock.